Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram camera problem. So I'll be showing you what to do if your camera is not working on Instagram when you go to upload a story or post. The first thing you'll need to do is check if your Instagram app needs updating. So you'll go into your Play Store and you're going to search for Instagram. And you will see the option update. As you can see here, mine has been updated already. If your Instagram app is already updated, you will simply close out of Play Store and go into settings. In settings, you are going to scroll down and select apps. Next, you are going to search for Instagram. Then you are going to select Instagram. After doing this, you want to tap on storage. Then you are going to tap on clear data in the bottom left hand corner. Then select OK. Once you have cleared data on Instagram, you are going to go back and right where you see permissions, it's the second option from the top. You are going to tap on that. And then you are going to select camera. And you want to ensure that camera has access, as you can see here, allow while using the app. And you'll go back and you want to ensure that files and media has access also. Once you have enabled access for those, you'll simply go back. Then you're going to tap on force stop in the bottom right hand corner. And after doing that, you'll simply close out of settings. And now you'll be able to open Instagram and you should be able to use the camera like normal. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.